Hi there, this is Shravan Mukka, and I am a business transformation consultant by profession and an entrepreneur from heart. In my previous videos, I was referring about 12 core areas which, if handled properly, has the potentiality to transform any business or a startup into 100% successful mode. Please note that I'm talking about transformation, a total makeover of a business or startup, addressing any difficulty they might possibly face. I can assure that you name any problem or challenge in a business operation, I have covered the solution in my 12 areas. As you can see on the screen, I called the entire process as 12-step business transformation process. I covered the 11th step, which I call as team management, in my previous video, and I hope you enjoyed the same. Every single area is very crucial, as understanding each area will take you closer to your dream destination of empowering yourself with end-to-end business knowledge. This is my 12th video and final video on business transformation, and here I cover the 12th step, which I call expansion strategy. So basically, expansion strategy is designed carefully enough to meet challenges which could be a part of expanding a particular service or product offering in more than one location. In simple words, this could be called as a GPS for continuous business growth. I wanted to tell one thing here. There is no end to success. Once we reach one milestone, another milestone pops up. So expansion is inevitable for any successful business. We have come a very long way to here, and from here I will explain how a successful product or service can be launched in multiple areas. Now, let's observe the link between business transformation and business expansion. So, as you know, the primary objective of business transformation is to learn how to analyze and find the pain points any business or a startup or a company is facing, and recommend the best possible ways to make the business operation ready for continuous growth. So expansion strategy, on the other hand, involves testing, analyzing, and recommending appropriate steps for expanding a particular product to more than one location. Expansion strategy works on every small and big aspect which affects expansion. A thorough understanding of expansion strategy will give the much needed added advantage for a careful business expansion. I hope you got little understanding with the link between expansion strategy and business transformation. Now, imagine you are a consultant or a job seeker or someone who is looking for career growth. If you are able to find simple ways which exponentially improves your skills and helps you to be a part of overall success journey of the company, what will you do? What if you have a deep knowledge on expansion strategy with end-to-end clarity? Does it improve your profile value or not? If you have a detailed understanding and knowledge on the expansion strategy, and if your potential client or employer know that you have this additional qualification, can they afford to ignore you? You have to observe 2 points here. On one side, I'm talking about business transformation, core points. And on the other side, I'm talking about developing the same skills for your profile. You have to understand that business transformation does not happen by itself. Someone has to initiate that process. I'm trying to cover about improving your skills on one hand, and on the other hand, showing ways how to showcase your strengths and knowledge to a target employer or client. If you improve your expansion strategy skills and then project your profile in the right way, do you think you have to go behind the companies or they have to come all the way in search of you? Think in those lines. And here are further potential questions related to this particular topic. Knowing answers to these will give immense confidence in addressing majority of the business challenges related to expansion strategy. The questions could be something like, how to understand more about expansion analysis, how to design an expansion planning, how to execute the expansion planning, how to validate the expansion plan, how to analyze expansion criteria, what could be the typical things in a successful expansion strategy, what is expansion pilot action plan, how to understand expansion pilot launch and review the same. And the questions continue. Now, to conclude, I hope you got it already. You have to take action. Be stronger than your strongest excuses. Take action. That's the simple key for success. I would recommend your first action is to get 100% clarity on the questions I asked. Understand the power of questions. The more questions you ask yourself, the more chances are that you are going towards understanding in depth. Let's focus on questions only as of now and start getting the best understanding of all possible questions surrounding the topic. I would like to give an example here. A simple question like, what is business transformation all about? Yes, you heard it right. First, I am asking sample question which is related to our videos. Anyway, just for a change, if the same question was framed as, why do you think the business transformation knowledge could give you extra knowledge on business processes? What is that you learned so far? When we try to focus on the questions, our total perception towards the topic changes. That is the power of questions. Now apply the same logic here. Please don't try to jump into answers right away regarding expansion strategy. All I request you to understand the concept at a high level and list down the questions you might get after going through the video. Stay connected with the total transformation concept and I will come up with a grand solution by end of the 12 videos, which gives you the best possible solution for all the questions we collectively raised on the topic of expansion strategy and how it is linked with your career progression. Try to understand that this is the 12th video, the final video. I'm very happy. And stay tuned for my next video on the summary and how to make the best usage of this business transformation for your career progression. Thanks for your time and I hope you enjoyed this video. All the best and I see you in my next video.